everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Welcome to our full-length review of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE 300 Cabriolet, the newest topless luxury in Mercedes lineup. Designed to seduce, engineered to perform, and packed with innovation, this convertible blends high-end elegance with everyday usability. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore its bold design, refined powertrain, cutting-edge tech, and special features that make it a standout in its class. The CLE Cabriolet's design stands out immediately with its elongated hood, taut proportions, and sleek silhouette. It strikes a delicate balance, elegant yet assertive, timeless yet fresh. The signature single-bar grille with intricate star pattern mesh, flanked by C-Class style LED headlamps and assertive air intakes, imparts presence without overwhelming subtlety. The soft top is impressive. Elegantly clad and acoustically insulated, it maintains coupe-level serenity when closed. Thanks to triple-layer construction with the demands of open-top driving in mind, Mercedes includes the AirCap system, deploying a wind deflector above the windshield and a screen behind the rear seats to manage airflow and minimize turbulence. Step inside at the helm, you're greeted by twin screens, an expansive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a striking 11.9-inch portrait touchscreen. The latter even tilts to combat glare when the top is down. A clever convertible-specific touch MBUX remains among the most intuitive systems on the market, with crisp graphics, responsive controls, and Hey Mercedes voice activation. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, embedded navigation, ambient lighting, power-folding mirrors, remote start, and more. Audio enthusiasts won't be disappointed. A 17-speaker Burmester 3D surround sound system delivers rich acoustic immersion. Headrest speakers included, ideal for top-down cruising. Additional tech includes wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, real-time navigation via Mercedes Me Connect, and an automatic equalizer that adapts to rapidly changing in-cabin acoustics. Rear seats even fold 60/40 for added versatility. It seats 4 adults comfortably, with decent headroom, 40.2 in front, 36.0 in rear, and shoulder room. Comfort is enhanced by heated and ventilated front seats, memory functions, power seat adjustments, and massage options as extras, plus ambient and illuminated touches throughout. Under the hood, the CLE 300 Cabriolet features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and a 9-speed automatic, delivering 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Routed through standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Acceleration is spirited, 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.2 seconds, quick, but also refined. Fuel economy is solid too, estimated at 23 miles per gallon city/32 miles per gallon highway, respectable for a convertible. This refined ride and handling emphasize comfort with firm responsiveness. The independent 4-wheel suspension, 4-link front, 5-arm multi-link rear, is comfort-tuned, with optional sport touches via AMG or night packages. The setup balances smooth cruising with composure through corners, far from the twitchy character of high-strung convertibles. Dynamic select drive modes let you tailor the experience. From eco to comfort to sport and individual, influencing throttle response, steering weight, and transmission behavior. Standard safety systems include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, driver attention assist, rain-sensing wipers, and LED headlights. Everything you'd expect from a modern Mercedes. The Cabriolet also brings PRA-safe, pole-mounted airbags, pop-up roll bars, and Mercedes' Guard 360° security suite. Premium driver assist options include adaptive cruise control with lane centering, Distronic, active lane change assist, emergency stop assist, traffic sign recognition, and surround view camera systems. Convertible specific design, the swivel touchscreen, AirCap wind efficiency, and air scarf heating make topless motoring comfortable and refined. A rarefied combination. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE 300 Cabriolet isn't just a convertible, it's an experience. It marries topless freedom with rich luxury, intelligent hybrid performance, and cutting-edge tech in a thoughtfully crafted package. Whether you're navigating twisty coastal roads or cruising urban streets, it's refined, well-balanced, and emotive. From the whisper-quiet soft top to the glowing MBUX cockpit, from the warmth of airscarf to the hush of AirCap wind control, this Cabriolet isn't just open air, it's open sophistication. With its blend of spirited performance, daily usability, and bespoke elegance, the CLE 300 Cabriolet is more than a convertible, it's a mood on wheels. Thanks for joining us on this top-down exploration. If you enjoyed the ride, hit like, subscribe, and share, because next time, we might be behind the wheel of something even more electrifying.